Hey, what's up guys, fvnz here with my first ever filmora tutorial where I'll be showing you how I did that nature text on a video. So we'll jump right into Photoshop with the resolution of 1920 into 1080, which is ideal for the videos, and name this folder nature. And then what we'll simply do is press Ctrl 0 to make it full size and get a text where we'll type the text whatever we want on the video. I'll be typing in here the word nature, as that's what I'm gonna represent in my video. So yeah, the next thing we need to do is that we need to make sure that the text is in the center, it is aligned properly. So first we'll crop it to get the center point, and using the ruler scale we'll select the center point. The next thing we'll do is press Ctrl T, and I'll make the text align exactly in the center. Okay, after that first we'll press enter, and then we'll do is unlock the background layer, select by control selecting the nature part and pressing similar, which will make all selected whatever we want. Hide the text layer, go to the below layer and delete it. Like we have to delete so that we can get a png of it below, which we will get the video. So yeah, now we'll jump on Filmora. But first you can see this video, it's like from the last year when I went to the hiking. So what we need to do now is I've already imported the file, so we'll just put it on the top of the video, and what we'll get as a final result is a clip of a text below, which you can see the video whichever you want to play in, like a very simple step. So yeah, that's it pretty much. I hope you guys learned something from it. Goodbye.